Yes, sir.
Okay, start now, Siddharth.
Good evening, friends. We are here to discuss the top. We discuss the in GD is cryptocurrency. As we know that in the world there is a leading cryptocurrency, a means of payment that in the form of tokens is known as cryptocurrency. It has a very secure payment transaction so that no one can hack or also can cheat us in this cryptocurrency. As we in the market, everyone can buy or sell these cryptocurrencies by such platforms that was listed in the stock exchange. As there are many branches where we can buy the cryptocurrencies cryptocurrencies as Bitcoin.
Okay, next candidate, test number 17. Next, test number 17.
GD, Jai Hind, respected sir and my dear friends. GD topic I think related to cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a virtual currency. It has got popularity across the world rapidly. It allows online secure payment in the form of virtual token. Mm, Through cryptocurrency, it is easy to transfer funds between the two without the interfere of a bank. Not only the people, but also the government gets a benefit through cryptocurrency by paying tax. Thank you.
Next candidate, Ravi Prakash.
Jai Hind everyone. I would like to say about the topic that is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that allows transaction to remain anonymous while confirming it. While transaction is valid, it is a type of peer-to-peer transaction in which blockchain technology is used. The first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was invented by the Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. Facebook also launched its own cryptocurrency. That name is Libra, and India will have to develop our cryptocurrency. That name is Lakshmi. Thank you.
Next candidate, Prem Kushwaha.
Then friends, my name is Hemant Kumar and we here discuss on the topic cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency and it is popularity all over the world. Cryptocurrency allow online payment, secure payment without the. फिर से स्टार्ट करता हूँ यार, थोड़ा घबरा गया. Jai friends, my name is Hemant Kumar. We here discuss on the topic cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is digital currency and it is popularity all over the world. Cryptocurrency allow online payment one device to another device without interference of the bank. Cryptocurrency is the type of stock market. The people who has invest in the stock market, then the same he can invest in the cryptocurrency. But cryptocurrency has a many downfall seen, like he suddenly the price of value is the rise and the fall. Then the reason we have seen that the many people rich by night and the bankrupt by night. Cryptocurrency has invested by the many peoples, like political parties, businessmen and the common people. Some countries has the ban the cryptocurrency, like Qatar, Saudi Arabian and the China. That's all. I will discuss further on GD.
प्रेम कुशवाहा, आप इतना घबरा क्यों रहे हैं जब आपको ये पता है कि हमें डिस्कशन करना? तो मैंने आपको बहुत बार बोला है कि हमेशा नेचुरल रह के बोलिए, नर्वस मत होइए. जितना आप नर्वस होंगे उतनी ही आपकी परफॉर्मेंस खराब होगी. यहाँ पर तो आपको दूसरा चांस मिल गया, लेकिन अगर आप वहां पे ऐसा करते हैं तो ये आपके जो जीडी है उसके ऊपर एक बैड इम्पैक्ट डालता है, तो थोड़ा सा इसके ऊपर फोकस करो। ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट पूजा।
Now come to this topic. This topic is cryptocurrency, which is assigned to us. Cryptocurrency means virtual currency, which can not only businessmen but also local people is used cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is also reduce the thrifting and after some times ago people's are fear for thrifting, but at present we cannot thrift in people's, and it is also benefit in not only our country but also whole world. It allow online secured payment in the form of virtual token. It has got popularity across the world rapidly. Cryptocurrency promote cashless economy and promote digitalization in our country, and also some benefit, but I can discuss in some negative effect. Negative effect, it can motivate legal transfers, and there is a great chance of cybercrime. Illegal funds take place in the form of CCTV, and there is a risk for data loss and many more, and many points we can discuss in our GD part.
नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट आयुष मालकोटी।
Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity to initiate GD topic. Now come to our GD topic, which is cryptocurrency. So, friends, cryptocurrency is a digital or a virtual form of currency which use security for its cryptography. So we know that, friends, cryptocurrency is getting popular day by day. Its craze is getting too much higher. We can see in all over the world, like we have example of cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin. So many people trades in and get richer. So cryptocurrency is a good thing for the traders. Cryptocurrency is not authorized by any type of central government or central institution. Like we can see, normal currency is authorized by central government like RBI in India. So we can see cryptocurrency is independent, and many traders trust him. And also it is very secure, but also it have many exceptions. So in further discussion, I will talk about it.
नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट शुभम कुमार।
Jai Hind, sir, and my dear friends, we are here to discuss about a topic which has been assigned to us: cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a virtual currency. It has got popularity across the world. It is in demand. It allows online secured payment in the form of virtual token. Not only the businessmen but also local people is trading in cryptocurrency. We have seen in our daily life, most of the friends are trading in our cryptocurrency, and we have learned how trade in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency promotes cashless economy and promotes digitalization. It is good for our country, and it helps in development. Through cryptocurrency, it is easy to transfer funds between the two without a bank interfere of any banks. Not only the people but also the government gets a benefit through the cryptocurrency by putting tax. Therefore, it is a good for the our economy, and people become rich by night and more income at night. And there are some disadvantages also. People become bankrupt by night. Therefore, it is good or bad both. Therefore, we have seen carefully.
ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट विकास।
Jane and friend, the topic of our name is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is also known as virtual currency. It got popularity all over the world now time. There are a lot of advantages of cryptocurrency, like it reduces robbery system and etc. By cryptocurrency, we can make cashless system and robbery system decrease. James.
विकास, what happened?
भूल गया था।
विकास क्या हुआ? नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट सिद्धार्थ।
Hello friends, I'm here to discuss about the topic of cryptocurrency. as we know that cryptocurrency is also known as digital currency that can be easily transferred to anyone without interfering the bank. As there are as their businessman also or a local can easily can buy or sell their cryptocurrency in the in by using such platforms that the cryptocurrency is listed. There are some major problems in buying cryptocurrency, that there are very unsecured platforms and also loses their data, and there is many cyber attacks also happen if we access there are also
सिद्धार्थ, ओके।
problem of storing the crypto.
सिद्धार्थ, एक तो आप इतना डरते क्यों हो? एक आराम से बोला करो। आप जो पॉइंट है वो या तो भूल जा रहे हो या पॉइंट नहीं बना पा रहे हो। जो भी इश्यू है उसके ऊपर फोकस करो और उसके अंदर इम्प्रूवमेंट लाने की कोशिश करो। अभी आयुष मालकोटी आप डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करेंगे और एक बार कोई भी कैंडिडेट बोलने के बाद 2 कैंडिडेट का वेट करेगा, उसके बाद में ही वो दोबारा से पार्टिसिपेट करेगा। ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट आयुष मालकोटी डिस्कशन।
Thank you, sir. So, friends, we know that cryptocurrency is very good because it cannot be counterfeit by easily, because cryptography is very complicated. So, hackers cannot be do this. But we can see in cybercrime, many hackers do this type of things. So, cryptocurrency is safe and also not safe. Like a pro hacker can easily hack them. But we should also know that cryptocurrency is very easy for transaction, and also all over the world. We have seen this like when we have to transaction with another country, so bank charges of bank is higher. But in Bitcoin, when we do buy the Bitcoin, so there is no charges. So here is a point. Bitcoin is a very good.
Yes,
You
dear,
are
I
right
agree
to
with you.
continue discussion. I want to say something to continue discussion. Cryptocurrency is no doubt for is good in developing country like India. Cryptocurrencies create a boost for economy, so good for in our country. And cryptocurrency is not controlled by one person, and controlled also the government of bank. And it is also benefit for every people, and not only use for people, and but also use for our governments benefit for in our country.
Yes, dear, I agree with you. Not only the businessman, but also local people is trending in a cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency promotes cashless economy and promotes digitalization.
Friend, I agree with you. There is 2 type of currency: digital currency and the physical currency. But I prefer digital currency because of we have seen the physical currency when the people has current physical money, the thieves and the robbers has snatching their money and snatch them. But in a digital currency, the thief and the robber not snatch their money and be safe.
As a
I agree
digital
with you.
currency, the very cyber crimes also happened with them, and also the security of the data also leaks. That digital currency can be easily hacked by the hacker, and also it 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 loses the money.
I'm
Yes,
agree
I
with
friend.
you. I
agree.
want to
Cryptocurrency is
understand with the help of cryptocurrency. With the help of cryptocurrency, India is benefited by putting tax, but illegal funding also takes places. Therefore, it is not good for our country, because we have seen that without interfere of any banks, where is going money, we do not know that. Therefore, it is a illegal funding also takes places, and it is not good for our country. And cybercrime is also implemented.
I agree with your friend. Cryptocurrency is a virtual currency. Via cryptocurrency, we can share our money to another person without any interference of bank. Due to due to cryptocurrency, we can send any type of fund on the another party without.
Yes, friend, cryptocurrency is a good sign of technology. At present time, cryptocurrency is famous all over the world, and we use cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency reduce robberies and etc. Other system. By cryptocurrency, people become rich by night, and there are some disadvantages also cryptocurrency because cryptocurrency increase cyber system and crimes. By cryptocurrency, some people become bankrupt and insolvent by night. So we use cryptocurrency properly, and government should make a law for cryptocurrency so it can be used in proper way. Thank you.
I agree with my
Yes,
former
you
speaker at some point in our group discussion. Friends, we know that India is a country with high population and cybercrime is also increasing in day by day. So we know that cryptocurrency is a form of a digital currency that is based on network system. So we know that some advantage of cryptocurrency like it is cheaper and faster money transfers in any system. So that is it reduce the any robbery in our day by day. So, but some disadvantage of cryptocurrency like it is a higher energy consumption and used in criminal activities. Thank you.
yes, dear, I agree with you. People became rich by night. There are some disadvantages also. People became bankrupt by night. It has motivated a legal transaction. There is a great chance of cybercrime.
I am agree with you. I want
As
to
my
add
former speaker
many
said,
professional traders are trading in cryptocurrency to earn more profit because profit comes from the high risk and the price of cryptocurrency highly fluctuates. Therefore, very chances of uh, earning more money and bankruptcy at also a risk in a cryptocurrency because the cryptocurrency highly fluctuates.
You are right,
I am
my
also
agree
former
with
speaker.
my
government also
I want to something to continue discussion. Cryptocurrency is very easy because not need to learn in a educated people. Uneducated people also learn to cryptocurrency, and it is a benefit for any sectors. And it is many people. Reach by night, but at the same time we can see in many people in a bankrupt in a one night.
I
as well
agree
my
with your friend.
former speaker said,
Cryptocurrency,
the, the uneducated man cannot buy these types of cryptocurrency because it is too complicated to manage them and also very risky for them. If anyone can risk their money, there is a high chances that he can lose their money because the high fluctuating rate of Bitcoin can also bankrupt someone. If we think that our government also implies many taxes because there are some illegal transactions can happen to turn their money from black to white. There are also the payment method for the dark web also, that in dark web there is a cryptocurrency exchange in them. The transaction is done by selling or buying of selling their cryptos, and this is also illegal because we cannot trace them where the cryptocurrency is from.
I am agreed with my formal speaker. Here, I would like to add one more point here. Friends, we know that cryptocurrency is very good because we know that cryptocurrency can be easily accessed by only the internet connection. We have not to go to the any type of banks for this, and no, there is no system of waiting system like we can see in bank where we have to wait for the currency to get. But when we talk about the cryptocurrency, so we can get easily access by the only internet or and by our phone.
And yes, you are right. I want to say something. We can use in anywhere for cryptocurrency, but I want to discuss a disadvantage for cryptocurrency. But we can see in at present many frauds in social media, and any person learn to hi- learn to hacking cryptocurrency. We can learn easily in social media. So many people lost their more money and sometimes disadvantage for cryptocurrency.
And
ओके कैंडिडेट्स
I
एक
am
बार ध्यान से
also
सुनिए, 1 मिनट। एक तो अंजलि कुंतल, आशुतोष सिंह और अमन, आप तीनों भी इक्वली पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए, और जिन्होंने अभी तक 3 बार जो पार्टिसिपेट कर चुका है वो अभी चुप रहेगा, वो थोड़ी देर बाद में पार्टिसिपेट करेगा। और ये जो तीनों कैंडिडेट है, आशुतोष, अमन एंड अंजलि, आप लोग पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए।
सर मैं अमन, मेरा टॉपिक तैयार नहीं है, अभी बाद में देखता हूँ, सुन ही लेता हूँ अभी।
Yes, dear friends,
Okay.
cryptocurrency is the digital currency, and as we all know that every coin has two sides. So cryptocurrency has some advantage and disadvantage. If we talk about some advantage, cryptocurrency has a secure payment, and we can easily operate. If any persons are sit on another country, we can transfer. We transfer at a virtual token type, and anywhere he sit, we can transfer very easy.
हेलो सर, वो आज क्लास
to
नहीं है?
decide.
क्या बोला आप लोगों ने?
सर वो 8 वाली क्लास नहीं है आज, बैच सेकंड की।
मैंने आप लोगों को बोला था कि जो इस ग्रुप के अंदर ऐड हो गए हैं उनकी क्लास 7:30 से ही होगी। आप कंटिन्यू कीजिए डिस्कशन।
I wanted to say disadvantage of the cryptocurrency. Some people want to give money to another account, so he give money, and he send money, and the money has gone in another account, and he said that I give money you, but the other said I have no take money. So this is also the illegal violence due to cryptocurrency.
Yes, dear friends, I add to some
Yes,
point.
friend,
Cryptocurrency is a big game changer, because cryptocurrency is a cashless economy, and cryptocurrency not only the businessman person can use, but also the local person.
I am agree with you. I want to add some point. Cryptocurrency promotes cashless economy and also digitalization. It is good for our government because our government also promotes cashless economy and digitalization. Therefore, cryptocurrency helps to our government. Therefore, it is good for our government.
Yes, I agree with you. Cryptocurrency allow online secure payment in the form of virtual token. Through cryptocurrency, it is easy to transfer funds between the two without the interfere of bank. Not only the people but also the government gets benefit through cryptocurrency by putting tax.
I agree with
As
your friend. But
and in our group discussion, friends, we know that cryptocurrency is also increasing in day by day, and it mostly used in digital markets and share market. So you know that digital currency is used in national and international transaction also. So you know that in India, the future of cryptocurrency is very low, because according to our government, that is 30% tax our government on transaction by cryptocurrency. Thank you.
हेलो सर।
Yes, friend, we use cryptocurrency all over the world. There is no need of cash money to buy anything, and we use cryptocurrency and buy easily things.
I
सर,
agree
I
with your
want to say something.
We have two options to transfer money: banking and cryptocurrency. We have, if we use banking, then we transfer in a specific region. But if we use cryptocurrency, we transfer money all around the world. Therefore, it is good for transferring money.
Okay, friend, I want to tell about the cryptocurrency in India. India has the biggest market of the cryptocurrency, and the people of India has the 5.3 billion currency has invested in the cryptocurrency.
Yes, dear friends, I add to some point. Cryptocurrency have many types like Bitcoin, PayPal. As we all know that one Bitcoin is equal to $65,000, and it does not a fixed. Cryptocurrency sometime ups and sometime cryptocurrency go down. So there are many challenges.
I'm agreed
As
with my
recently
former speaker.
our government also
Here I would like to add one more point here, friends. We know that cryptocurrency is very good, but we have also seen the negative point. One of them is in the name of cryptocurrency, many hackers spam the link for the trading cryptocurrency. So, who new traders can get easily tracked just name of Bitcoin. So we can see there is a disadvantage of which is cybercrime, like providing fake links to the new traders, and it is a lose for them. So cryptocurrency is also a negative point here.
But friends, I'm also agree
As
with you.
cryptocurrency,
Cryptocurrency is a virtual currency in our society. As we all know, cryptocurrency is a enhance cyber crimes, and this is not good for a developing nation like India. For a cryptocurrency is a problem is is a crucial problem. Is a crucial problem nowadays. Many peoples are many peoples are many people are useless use in cryptocurrency. There are some advantages in a cryptocurrency prefers a cashless system machines never go for lunch and 24-hour quick transaction. It is easy to use and no fear of pocket cutters, and it is for digital scheme.
Yes,
I
friends,
as
not
agree with
only
as
businessmen, but
cryptocurrency also become headache for the government, because the if the transactions of the cryptocurrency cannot be determined, because they are not linked with the bank, as these transaction is done also help the terrorists to buy weapons or explosives against the India. There is also difference, because if we does not trace them, who can transfer or who can trade these cryptocurrencies, this is also become very crucial for our Indian internal securities, as the transactions goes, they if only when the cryptocurrency buying or selling, they get the government got tax. But if we transfer their cryptocurrency, they got not does not taking any tax on them. That's also a very crucial for our country, as they are also another as also another problem, because there are no, as a UPI system, there is anyone does not buy or sell the cryptocurrency. Only upper class or very complicated transferring system also has
Yes,
cryptocurrency,
friends, I'm
I
also agree with you.
as it is
Cryptocurrency is
not
a
simple
better
as
way for
UPI.
a developing nation like India. In my opinion, not only pupils are users in cryptocurrency, but governments are gets many beneficial for cryptocurrency. It reduce the manpower, and like online pay, this is a betterment for, and many pupils like online transactions like net banking, BMAP, PhonePe, etc. So this is a better for many people. Cryptocurrency is a virtual currency for many people. Many people are not aware for this currency, and they use for bad effect. In rural area, people are not aware for this.
Dear friends, I
I
I
agree with
agree
agree
with
with
your
your
point.
point. I agree
friends.
with your
Many
point. I add some point.
and corrupt people also use in cryptocurrency to make funds. And therefore, it is not good for the internal safety. It makes violence in our country. Therefore, it is not good for our country.
Yes, my friend.
Agree with your point.
Cryptocurrency
I
have some
add some
advantage
point.
as well as some disadvantage also. So the major drawback of cryptocurrency is that crypto is used in illegal activities like buy and selling weapons and drugs by the help of dark web. Thank you.
I agree
But
with
dear,
your
All
point.
right.
I add some point. Cryptocurrency is a digital virtual currency. In India, the Supreme Court of India banned on trading in cryptocurrency in India. Cryptocurrency is a transaction completely annual. Cryptocurrency cannot be manipulated by government and central authority of any country. Some countries such as Canada, US, Japan, Australia allow trade and investment in cryptocurrency. There are countries such as Iceland, Taiwan, Kazakhstan, and Bolivia was completely banned cryptocurrency in this era.
yes, dear
Uh,
friends,
yes,
as we
my-
all
Also
know,
agree with
yes,
you.
dear friends, as we all know
Cryptocurrency is
that
a
cryptocurrency is
digitalizations
works
in the
like a
country. In my
digitalization, and
opinion,
as we know that
cryptocurrency is
cryptocurrency,
Decagon, Wrinkle, and Bitcoin etc. are some examples of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency are spreads many awareness like Canada, USA, and many countries. So this is betterment for people. and this is
Totally
needed.
agree with your point. I add some point. In 2009, cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. Bitcoin was invented by Satoshi Nakamoto, and Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency in the world. And many other similar cryptocurrency like Ethereum, Ripple, and many more. Cryptocurrency demerit is like fraud activities happen, no legal interference, and minimum possibilities of refund.
Dear friends, as we all know that there are many comes are fraudulent, and as we all know that cryptocurrency works like a digitalization. As we all know that, I give some example like Paytm Paytm and Bitcoin and PayPal. As Paytm, when we purchase any products, then after that that products give me some coins. So as like cryptocurrency works as a virtual token type. So cryptocurrency we use cryptocurrency, then cryptocurrency increase our economy, because sometimes he works very he goes ups and downs.
Agree with your point. I add some point. You know that cryptocurrency is like a work like ATM, Google Pay, and Phone Pay, many more apps. And in 2018, the Indian RBI has imposed virtual currency because that uses of cryptocurrency to secure control transaction. The main ban was to safeguard country's financial system in India, and the future of cryptocurrency in India is uncertain.
Dear friends, you are
The
absolutely right. I
speaker
am
made
also
a
agree
point
with
in
it.
our
In
group
my
discussion.
opinion,
Since we know that due to
cryptocurrency
cryptocurrency,
refers
it is
to
saving
a
lots of
process
time in our future. So
it is a
due
time
to
saving process.
cryptocurrency,
There is
there is
no
a
need to wait in bank lines, so this is a betterment for every pupils. And rural area which is difficult to poor network connectivity, and many pupils are not used for this. So cryptocurrency is betterment for every pupil.
Okay, friend, a
You are right.
cryptocurrency is a digital currency based on the network that is scattered across the hug number of the computers, and the digitization system of the cryptocurrency makes it faster and the cheaper to transfer money.
I agree with
Yes,
your
you
point.
are.
I add some
As
point. You know that cryptocurrency is a work like a Swiss bank of Switzerland. When you go in Swiss bank, then you use payment. You transfer payment in Swiss bank, and you allow only to come payment in Swiss bank, and another person cannot withdraw Swiss bank money your. So I think cryptocurrency is a work like a Swiss bank in Switzerland.
Yes, you are
as
right.
we
I want to say
as we
something.
determine cryptocurrency in
Cryptocurrency is
different
no
ways,
doubt for good
there is
in our
also
country, and
another
cryptocurrency
problem in that.
uses in at present. You are right. No doubt for a rural area is a lower poor network connecting, so difficult for cryptocurrency. But at present, our government is provide to local area to networking, and cryptocurrency is good for every people because the paytm and scan code in including in cryptocurrency, and not charge and not tax for given for cryptocurrency. And we can see in at present we can no take more money in our bags, because thrifting is very high in our country.
Friends, you are
And
Cryptocurrency,
there
so
is
true about
there
the
is
I
cryptocurrency.
also
agree with your
another
point.
problem
I
It is
add some
by
point.
Not
Bitcoin
good
and
for
PayPal and
our
Ethereum.
Cryptocurrency,
So crypto is not handled by government. It is depend on the trading. So this will make a man star over the night, but on other hand, this will make a man bankrupt.
dear friends. In my
Yes,
opinion,
friend.
In fact,
cryptocurrency is
it's
not
cryptocurrency
many
not
people are not are corrupted in our country. So this is not good for this. In corruption nowadays, very big issue, and police, other government and officers are involved in a corruption. And this is a very good thing and should be eliminated. And as we all know, I think government should take like a prevent steps and use to corruptions. This is not a good use for cryptocurrency. Many people.
Dear friends,
Yes,
I
friend.
I
want to
agree with your
discuss
point.
because
I
We
Cryptocurrency is
have
add
an
some
to
point.
mind
instrument
that
and
these
is
these
used
Cryptocurrency
persons are use
very
merit is
it
like
use
a
very
like
electricity also,
works in
and it also
marketing
become
as
a very
affiliate
important.
marketing, whose persons are maximum person who are using who's who play like game like affiliate many games playing, and there are many works on by the help of network like affiliate marketing that persons can earn money like a token type, and after that they can use the cryptocurrency.
agree
yes,
with your
As
point.
it
I
can
majority
be
add
of
some
used
point. You know
cryptocurrency
that about
yes,
cryptocurrency
friend.
is a worse for our society and our nation because many countries are corrupted by in cryptocurrency. Like they buy weapon and another country and they use it in India and like China, Pakistan and Asian country, and they scared terrorists in the world in the Middle East, Asia, and they terrified every person in the world.
Yes,
as the
friend. Is
mining of
cryptocurrency used in
cryptocurrency
a
is very expensive also, and also car use electricity for to mining the any type of cryptocurrency. As we taken an example of Bitcoin, there is a there is need of electricity made by the fossil fuels to mine a crypto coin, and this also is not eco-friendly for the environment. This lead to emit the carbon when the fossil fuels burn. The cryptocurrency also used because the cryptocurrency used the electricity made by the fossil fuels. That's why we can mine that types of cryptocurrencies, so that it is very dangerous for our environment also.
I agree with your point. I at some point we can smuggling and buying weapon by cryptocurrency because crypto transaction are completely anonymous, and we can achieve everything by cryptocurrency. The Bitcoin is built using blockchain technology, and Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency in the world since 2009.
Friends,
yes,
I'm
Agree with
friend.
my
also in my
Cryptocurrency
friend
is
add
opinion,
some point.
Bitcoin
propagated.
was
Since
invented
we know
in
that
Narcomodo
due
in
to cryptocurrency, they have
2009.
demand it
Cryptocurrency,
keeps a
Bitcoin,
loss of
and
revenue return. So we
cryptoloans
know that
are
the
main
cryptocurrency increasing in
example
day by
for the
day, and it is
cryptocurrency.
mostly used in a digital market and share market. So we know that so cryptocurrency is a very less time and provides a fast transaction speed, and it save a lots of time. So many times we see that many rural areas they cannot afford any cryptocurrency because their lack of education. So we know that the first cryptocurrency Bitcoin was invented by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. Thank you.
Agree with your point. We know that villagers area is not capable of cryptocurrency because they are not educated and they are not awareness of this technology and currency. And merit merits of cryptocurrency like secure payment, fast operate, and transfer anywhere in the world, and
Yes, dear friends,
Yes,
cryptocurrency
friend. If
are depend
cryptocurrency
Yes,
on
used
friends,
in
I'm
internet, as
proper
we
way,
all
then
also
know
it is
agree
that,
with you. In
benefit
my
for our
and as
opinion,
we all
nature.
know that
cryptocurrency
when
is
we use
better
as
for
like
every
ATM,
people.
as we all
Cryptocurrency
know
is
that
good
when
for
we use
enough
like
use.
ATM, and ATM when we get some money, so we put as a coded 123 any number, as we know that as like cryptocurrency as we need some coded words, and after that when we use it like cryptocurrency, when we share our authentic information and other person, so they can that authentic information by own selves. So after that there are many fraud are come.
Yes, my friend,
agree with your point.
cryptocurrency are also used to change black money into white money, and also this will also increase the level of corruption in our system because the transaction history of Bitcoin is anonymous.
Dear friends, I'm also agree with you. In my
Yes,
opinion,
dear friend, I agree with you. Cryptocurrency is a virtual currency. It has got populated across the world rapidly.
systems. Cashless system is better meant for pupils. No need to wait in bank lines to cashless system is a time saving process. Nowadays, cryptocurrency is for better use for many people. So So this is good for everyone and users like online transactions like net banking, BMAP, PhonePe, etc.
I agree
Friend,
with your
because
point.
I
I add some point.
belongs to the village, and
You know that about many terrorists are also use cryptocurrency because they want weapon and biological weapon, and they use weapon in another country like India, and they terrified in India people, and they attack many in India, and many people killed by terrorists because cryptocurrency is a use for a bad person, and I think cryptocurrency is a no more use in India.
okay, friend,
Yes,
because
and I
belongs to
agree
the
with you.
village, I want
I
to say
can
that
also add
cryptocurrency is always
add
a
to
Cryptocurrency
the
big.
has
point
got
that as cryptocurrency is like a stock market, but as in India stock market is regulated by SEBI, but they in cryptocurrency there is no one can regulate the cryptocurrency exchanges. So there is also also a problem that there is no authenticity of any type of Bitcoin, any type of cryptocurrency that will also be manipulated by someone for their profit. It also very dangerous for the person who are buying or selling their cryptocurrency, because if no one can regulate these types of cryptocurrency, this can also be also dangerous for the person who does not who are buying or selling the cryptocurrency.
I agree
Yes,
with your
friend,
point.
yes,
I add some
cryptocurrency
point.
used in a proper way.
Many captured people are also use of cryptocurrency because crypto transaction are completely anonymous, and many people kept in corruption. They use cryptocurrency because they want to change black money to white money in India.
yes, dear
Yes,
friend, I
friend.
agree with you. Cryptocurrency is a virtual currency. It has get populated across the world rapidly. Due to cryptocurrency, people became richer by night. Cryptocurrency are some disadvantages also. People became bankrupt by night, and there is a risk of data loss.
Yes,
Dear
dear
friends,
friends, I
I'm
agree
Yes,
some
friend.
point,
If
and
we
maximum businessmen
Decagodo
persons
in
to use
2009
cryptocurrency, but
and
not use
cryptocurrency
local person
Ripples
whose
are
persons
some
are come in
examples
rural
of the
areas.
cryptocurrency. The
So
first
uh,
decentralized
they do not
cryptocurrency
know how we use
Bitcoin
it
was developed
cryptocurrency.
in
So
2009. So this is a good steps for this. So this is a good step to Nakamoto, and this is a best example. This is the best example Ripple and Decagon of a cryptocurrency.
yes, dear
ओके
friends, I agree.
कैंडिडेट्स, नाउ वी एंड आवर टुडे सेशन। और आज मैं दो कैंडिडेट को पॉइंट आउट कर रहा हूँ। एक सिद्धार्थ सिंह, आपको और ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करने की जरूरत है। आपके अंदर जो इम्प्रूवमेंट दिखना चाहिए वो इम्प्रूवमेंट दिख नहीं रहा है। आप रुक रुक के बोल रहे हो, आप पॉइंट भूल जा रहे हो, बहुत से मिस्टेक चल रही हैं, तो इनके ऊपर फोकस करो। जो अभी मैं रिकॉर्डेड वीसी डालूंगा चैनल के ऊपर, उसको आराम से सुनो और देखो कि आपने कहाँ पे गलती की है। ओके, एक कैंडिडेट है
Okay,
पूजा कुमारी। आप भी थोड़ा सा
हाँ,
नर्वस मत होया कीजिए, बिल्कुल नॉर्मल होके जीडी करो, क्योंकि जितना आप नर्वस हो रहे हो उतना ही आप अपनी परफॉर्मेंस को खराब कर रहे हो, और एक आप जल्दी बोलने के चक्कर में भी अपनी परफॉर्मेंस को कभी कभी खराब करते हो। तो इन दो चीजों के ऊपर ध्यान दो। ओके। और विकास, एक आप हैं विकास, आपको भी और ज्यादा तैयारी करने की जरूरत है। तो अभी हम सेशन को एंड करेंगे
सर इसी बैच
और
की
कल। हाँ,
सर जी,
दीपेंद्र, एक मिनट रुकिए।
इस बैच की टाइमिंग यही है कि 7:30।
हाँ, 7:30। और देखो, अभी आप जो इस ग्रुप में ज्वाइन है उनसे मैं एक बात और बोलूंगा। जब अपने वाला जो मेन ग्रुप है उसके अंदर अगर जीडी होता है तो आप उसके अंदर पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करेंगे, ताकि उनको भी मौका मिल पाए। आपको मैंने सेपरेट कर लिया है तो आप सेपरेट ही अपना जीडी कीजिए। जब उनका चले तो आप बिल्कुल भी पार्टिसिपेट मत कीजिए। ओके। और दीपेंद्र कुमार, आपको भी बोलना चाहूंगा एक तो आप रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, और एक आपके अंदर भी सुधार नहीं हुआ है तो भी आप भी ज्यादा से ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस कीजिए ताकि आपके अंदर भी इम्प्रूवमेंट हो। ओके, आप भी नर्वस होते हैं, बीच में रुक रुक के बोलते हैं, पॉइंट भूल जाते हैं, बहुत से मिस्टेक चल रहे हैं और आप सिली मिस्टेक बहुत ज्यादा कर रहे हैं कि आप बोलना कुछ और चाहते हैं और उसका मीनिंग और कुछ निकल जा रहा है, तो उनके ऊपर थोड़ा सा फोकस करो। ओके
सर, एक छोटा सा सजेशन था सर।
हाँ बोलिए।
सर जैसे सर जब जीडी स्टार्ट होता है सर, आप सर उसमें चैट को चालू कर दिया करिए सर।